Hola queridos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a la clase de español. First of all, muchísimas gracias. Thank you very much for your lovely wishes. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much. God bless you and take care. Love you all. And every day I learn lots of things from you. So you're also my teacher. Okay? So stay blessed, stay happy and healthy always. Okay? So let's start our class. Today we are going to learn, last day we have already learned verbo ser, right? So today we are going to learn that usage of verbo ser. So let's start. Empecemos. So last day as we have learned verbo ser, so we have learned that soy verbo ser will change according to person wise, so it will be say soy, eres, es, somos, soy, son, right? And today we are going to learn that when we will use that verbo ser. Okay, so that verbo ser is to use to express permanent characteristics of a person or an object. Okay, like basic aspects, like por ejemplo, Susana es muy inteligente. Susana is very intelligent. Or soy alta. No soy alta, pero por ejemplo we can use that soy alta. So I'm tall. I'm not, but for example I can say it, right? So for basic aspect we will use ser. And next, for relationship we will use ser, like ella es mi hermana. Okay, she's my sister. Or él es mi hermano, or he is my brother, right? For relationship we will use ser. Okay, then for origin, el libro es de Buenos Aires. So the origin of the book is Buenos Aires. So to express the time and date, es la una. To express the time and date, that is very important actually. For time and date, always remember that we will use ser. We will never use estar. Okay. So for express time and date, we will use ser. Por ejemplo, es la una. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. Or hoy es jueves. Okay, like this way we will use ser for time and date. Then for possession, okay, for possession we will use ser, like el auto es mío. The car is mine. Okay. For profession also we will use ser, like son profesores, they are professors. Okay. And another most important thing, we will use ser for nationality. As we know, ser will use for permanent characteristics. It will not use for temporary changes. What is permanent we will use for that only. Okay, so nationality is very important. Always remember that for nationality we will use ser. Okay, like soy indio, I'm Indian. Okay, soy indio, I'm Indian. Soy alemán, I'm German, like this. Okay, so for nationality we will use ser. Okay, so yes, for all these cases we will use ser. Okay, for first person also, for second person also, for third person also we will use ser. Okay, pues eso es todo. Again I am going to share that page and you will write everything, and next day we will do a worksheet over ser, sobre ser. Okay, so practice it properly. I hope you can understand when we will use ser. Always remember, for permanent purpose, means for permanent characteristics. Okay, for permanent characteristics of an object or a person, we will use ser. Okay, clear? Bueno, eso es todo. Cuídate. Adiós. Hasta luego.